Hello, and welcome to Tessellation Art with Mrs. Ramirez. What is a tessellation? A tessellation is an arrangement of shapes in a repeated pattern without gaps or overlapping. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make a tessellation. Step 1. Use a thick paper or cardboard and cut it into a square. I used a square that is 2 inches by 2 inches. Step 2. Make one cut from edge to edge. It can be fairly simple, like this one you see here, or it can be more intricate. Step 3. Move your cut piece to the opposite edge of the square, and then tape it. For example, if you cut on the bottom, move your little piece to the top. If you cut it on the right side, move it to the left side. For my example, I moved my piece up to the top like this, and then also to the opposite corner. You can move yours just straight if you'd like. Step 4. Place your tessellation piece on your paper and trace all sides. Then move your tessellation paper so the next image lines up and trace it again. Repeat until your paper is covered. In my sample, I angled my paper because once I had my finished piece, I had a vision about what my tessellation would be. Can you see it? Step 5. Outline your shapes, add details, and color. Did you guess my shape correctly? So here is my original tessellation paper with my art piece. Can you see how I angled my tessellation paper to create the shape of the dog? Here is another sample shape with only one cut if you're having a hard time and don't know what to do. I made the original cut here, and then I moved it up and over, and then I angled it, and it's going to be a horse. This right here will be his mane, all of this. And I just need to add an eye and a little mouth. If you're feeling ambitious, try making 2 cuts on the same tessellation paper. For example, on my shark, I cut here and moved it straight over to make the head and the tail. And then I took this piece here for the fin, moved it up, and then moved it over a little bit. The reason why I moved it over is because when I lay these pieces together, they won't lay right on top of each other. They're going to be a little bit angled because I moved that fin over. On the second picture, I cut out the tail and moved it over here to be the head. And then I cut the bottom here, which I moved straight up to create the fin. And it's a fish. Here's a time-lapse video of how I created the fish tessellation. I don't actually move that fast. This is just done in time-lapse so that you can see the entire process without watching the 26-minute video I took to make it. I chose to use colorful colors because fish are all sorts of colors in the ocean. There it is, all done. Thanks for watching. I hope you have fun making your own tessellation. Bye!